Hello, folks. So we have for Bitcoin today, we have a trade I would like to trade and would like to take rather and see what's going on. So we can see that we're ready to short from this area right here all the way here. And when price got here, started to reverse and pull back to the upside. Okay. So we can see this. So what we have here, we have also this, right? So we're looking to take this trade to 50% of this range. So this is for 5 minutes. So we have from here to the area right here. Oh, 50% is already reached. Okay, so we can just quickly scalp this on the 1 minute time frame. All right. Okay, so we can take a scalp on the 1 minute time frame or seconds time frame. Okay, all the way to this area right here. All the mirror stuff. So let's use our scale and see here. Okay. So because of this VM machine, we can take a copy of this, right, all the way to 50% of the range. Okay. But we have this. Now we can look up the similarities. I think the highest high here. All right, you can see this. Also, you can see this with all the highs in between on the lows here. Same also with lows here. And see this area sharpness. Then price pushed back up, came back down in this way. Okay, so expecting that the price gets to the slope of this. Okay, so that's one trade. How do we enter this trade? Hello, way we can confirm this. See this fractal in this area. There. We scale this fractal. Okay, you can see it. This PMC has given us price movement here. Okay, so expecting this low here to be taken. Okay, so you're gonna shoot from here to here. Now this is like a multi-timeframe fractal analysis. Then we have this. This. We're gonna hide them. Okay. Let's move to large time frame. Okay. All right, everyone. We are back on our Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's now here's 71,500. We predicted that the move was going to get to 72,000 at this low. As you can see, the Bitcoin price is shorted, and we're here. Okay, so the video could not be completed because there was a lot of premium information in that video. Okay, so let's go. Fractals have predicted this move, and it's got the mirrored fractal input scale now back, so you can see the Bitcoin price start up, and our initial measurement is still great. Okay. Yes, there we have it. This is one retracement, and we can either have 100%, but the trade is fine and good for us.